Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to talk about how to keep your toddler busy. So as you all know, because of COVID and the lockdown, most of us are working from home. Working from home is not easy, especially when you have a toddler at home. There have been many times where my husband and myself have got worked up, have got frustrated in handling our daughter, in juggling house responsibilities as well as work responsibilities. Toddlers get bored very easily. Okay, so my husband and myself, we came up with certain tricks, you can say, to keep our daughter busy, which really worked in our favor, and I thought of sharing these tricks with you as well, with you all as well, and hopefully these work in your favor as well. So toys will keep your toddler busy, but not as long as you want them to be busy. My daughter spends max to max 10 minutes with a particular toy. So as I told you all earlier as well, toddlers get bored very easily. Buying more and more toys and leaving your toddler with those toys is not going to serve the purpose. Instead, have backups. So today, I'm going to share those backups with you and hope it helps. So the first backup is to get them involved. Toddlers like to copy whatever adults do. They like to be treated like adults. So get them involved in what you are doing at present. For example, if you are cutting vegetables in the kitchen, get them involved, give them a piece or two and ask them to cut that particular vegetable. Second is, if you're washing vessels, ask your toddler to keep the washed vessels in place or ask them to wipe those washed vessels. Third one is, you can fill a bag with objects which are of no use to you, or fill a drawer with objects which are of no use to you, and ask them to explore that bag or that drawer. That will also keep them involved. What my daughter enjoys the most is drying clothes and folding them. Okay, so you all can even try this. Once the clothes are washed, involve your toddler in drying those clothes and ask them to fold the clothes, especially their clothes. They will enjoy doing it. So the next is assigning tasks. Ask your toddler to join a puzzle or build a tower out of the blocks, or ask them to paint or color a picture. Assigning tasks makes a toddler feel equal to an adult. Okay, it makes the kids responsible. If your toddler is not in a mood to do it, follow it up with a reward. So the third one is dress up sessions. I'm sure all you parents might have experienced this. Toddlers, they love to play dress up. They like to dress up like their moms and dads. So what you can do is, you can give them a box, or a jewelry box with steel bangles and finger rings, or and jewelry which won't harm them in any way. If it's a boy, you can give them a scarf, or you can give them caps, jackets. I'm sure this is going to keep them busy. The fourth one is a dummy phone. At this age, toddlers love to blabber, they love to talk, they will go on and on with their talks and conversations. So what you all can do is, hand them a toy phone or any object which resembles a phone, like an old TV remote. That's what my daughter uses. I'm sure this is going to keep them busy, and they are going to continue with their endless imaginary conversations. Next is water. So water is going to work like magic. Okay, toddlers, they love to experiment with water by pouring it from one container to the other. I have observed that it mesmerizes them. They love the entire process of it flowing from one container to the other. Also, they love to add things and things in the water and stir. So just, you can say, a tablespoon of water in a container is going to act like magic and keep them busy. Toddlers, they love playing with things which are not meant to be played with. So next is utensils. Even if they have n number of toys, they will love playing with things from the kitchen. So just hand over some unbreakable plates, spoons, and they'll be busy with them. Lastly, the last resort technique. So if nothing works and your toddler is way too cranky, moody and irritable, what you can do is hand over your phone to your child with a time limit. So in today's age, we parents, we are using our cell phones most of the times, and a toddler is watching us doing it. So obviously he or she is going to copy us. So for how long you are going to keep your toddler away from the cell phone? So what you can do is give the phone to your child, but with a time limit. That's what I do with my daughter. I give my phone with a time limit of 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, when I ask for my phone, she readily gives it without any fuss. So I'm sure this is going to help. It's going to be a gradual process. If you all have not started this time limit rule, you all can start now. It's going to take some time, but it will surely work in your favor. Also, you can use television as a last resort technique. Keep it on for 5 to 10 minutes, and then once the child is out of the crankiness and moodiness, you can stick to the other techniques that I have shared with you all. Thanks for watching. I hope these tricks help you all. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. I will continue to upload more such helpful videos as and when possible. Bye.